Blockchain and cybersecurity, enhancing data security. How blockchain works, a quick overview. Before diving into how blockchain boosts cybersecurity, we must know its basics. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology, DLT. It records transactions across multiple computers or nodes. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions and is cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming a chain of data. Blockchain runs on a decentralized network. No single entity controls the whole system. Instead, the network's ledger is accessible to all participants. This ensures transparency and accountability. Decentralization, eliminating single points of failure. A major flaw in conventional cybersecurity systems is their centralized databases and servers. Cybercriminals find centralized systems, like those used by many organizations, appealing targets. Once they access the central server, they can steal or manipulate vast amounts of data. High-profile breaches of large corporations and government databases often result from exploiting these centralized vulnerabilities. Immutability, ensuring data integrity. Data integrity is key to cybersecurity. Blockchain's immutability offers a powerful solution. Once a transaction or piece of data is added to the blockchain, it is virtually impossible to alter or delete. To modify a block, one must alter all subsequent blocks. This is computationally infeasible in large networks. This feature makes blockchain a reliable tool for ensuring that data remains untampered and intact. Conclusion. As digital threats continue to evolve, so too must our approach to cybersecurity. Blockchain technology presents a unique and powerful solution to many of the challenges posed by traditional data protection methods.